Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Chrysler Town and Country key fob. It's a simple process that you can easily do at home, saving you time and money. We'll walk through each step, from gathering your tools to testing the new battery. You'll need just a couple of items: a small flathead screwdriver or a key fob opening tool, and a fresh CR 2032 battery. Let's get started and keep your key fob working perfectly. Now let's get into the key fob. Begin by removing the emergency key. Simply slide the release button and pull it out. Next, look for a small indentation or seam on the side of the fob. Take your small flathead screwdriver or opening tool and gently insert it into this slot. With a slight twist, you'll hear a small pop as the two halves begin to separate. Work your way around the seam to fully open the casing. With the key fob open, you'll see the small, round battery nestled inside. Take a moment to observe its orientation. Typically, the side with the plus sign and text faces upwards. Gently use your small screwdriver or even a fingernail to lift out the old battery. Now, take your new CR 2032 battery and slide it into place, making sure the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. It should fit snugly into its holder. Almost done, carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Make sure all the edges match up perfectly. Then, press them together firmly until you hear and feel them snap securely into place. Once the fob is sealed, slide the emergency key back into its designated slot. Finally, test all the buttons, like lock and unlock, to confirm your key fob is working perfectly. You've successfully replaced your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.